Hello, Bruce Hastie from Argo Yachting. Today we're going to take a look on board our Galeon 510 Sky that is currently in stock at our office in Swanwick. Let's go aboard and I'll show you some of the features of this yacht. So here we are in the cockpit of the 510 Sky. This model has a number of features that I'm going to talk you through. First off is the Carousel. This is a aft cockpit seating area with twin fridges, one either side. The whole seating area will rotate 360 degrees. You can stop it in 8 different locations, aft facing, forward facing or thwartships. Moving round, we have the balcony option or beach mode. This extends the beam from 4.4 metres to 6.2 metres when the balconies are open. We've got the bar stools. On this particular boat they have upgraded the material to a stainless bar stool from the aluminium. And we have the opening bar area on the port side. With the patio door open, you have this lovely fold-up worktop which extends the galley through into the side of the boat. Great place for drinks. Whoever's in the galley can serve through to this side. Another bar stool here. Very good social space. And if I could take you round to the other side, on the starboard side here we have another patio door that completely opens. And although I can't demonstrate it now because we're against the pontoon, the starboard balcony will drop down and then this will create a seat that is outward facing. If we move across to the port side, we have a lovely large aft galley for the size of boat. Fridge in here with icebox. Dishwasher here. Electric oven and microwave with an induction hob. And a really nice feature on the reverse of the galley area, we have a wine cooler. So let's go through into the saloon. Here we have a lovely seating area with the option of 2 stools, which are the bases of this chair that will be able to be moved across in front of the table. So you could seat at least 8 to 10 people in this area. Another nice feature of this boat is that we have the rotating helm seat. So when the boat is not being used, you can push this back, creating another great social space. We also have opening windows both port and starboard, electrically operated from the dash, and a lovely big electric sliding glass roof with another glass panel here that's protected by blinds, so giving you some shade from the sun. We move across to the helm station. This particular boat is fitted with twin D11 725 Volvos on shafts. We've got twin Raymarine screens, multi-function displays. We've got the trim tabs, variable speed wiper controls, VHF, and over here we have the variable speed bow and stern thruster and also the autopilot. Let's go downstairs now and take a look at the cabins. This boat has 3 cabins, owner's suite, VIP and a bunk cabin. Let's take a look.
If you haven't done already, please subscribe to our channel and also turn on the notification bell so you get alerted each time we upload any video, not just broker walkthroughs. And if you can like the video, it really helps our channel as well.
So here we are in the master stateroom. We have a very nice large double bed with storage cupboards on the starboard side and a little vanity stroke office area on the port side. In here we have an illuminated mirror, storage for jewellery and so on, and a nice big mirror here. There's also storage under the bed, and a really nice feature of this boat is the full height wardrobe on the starboard side, which includes some lighting and further storage. Also in the aft cabin we have obviously TV here with a fusion system and a washer dryer. The ensuite is on the port side, which features a separate shower and a freshwater loo. Really good size considering the length of this boat. So VIP in here, again, really good size double bed, plenty of storage cupboards around the top and side of the headboard. Again, vanity unit in here, large drawers underneath the bed, and a full height wardrobe on the starboard side. And on the port side, we've got a heads compartment with shower. This shower and toilet is also used as the day heads, so you have 2 doors, nice full length mirror here. Let's look across now into the bunk cabin. Lastly, on the cabins, we've got the twin bunk cabin here. Still a very good size with a full height wardrobe and storage around the top. Great as a guest cabin or for kids. That completes the accommodation. Let's go and have a look now at the Flybridge and the rest of the exterior spaces. So let's go up and take a look at the Skydeck. One of the unique features on this particular model is the fact that all of the Flybridge seating will fold flat, and then we have an electric canopy that encloses the whole Flybridge area, removing the need for any canvas covers. This has got to be one of the most innovative features I've seen on a fly or sports bridge yacht. Let's go up and take a look. So we've just pulled back the canopy. I'm just going to show you how easy it is now to set up the fly. So firstly we can open the helm seat, then we can lift the backrests to the whole seating area, and once we've done all the seating, the next job is to lift the helm station. So here we have the console up and down. This is fully electric. Now bringing the steering wheel up into position. In addition, this can be adjusted, so we can bring this up further as well, manually here. This chair will go up and down and is also able to rotate. And the table here in the middle, this can be down as a coffee table, or we can lift it up as a dining table. When it's in the upper position, the helm chair can be swiveled round, creating some more seating. In addition to this area, we've got a large foredeck seating area on the bow. This also has some innovative features with regard to the cushions. The backrests in front of the windscreen actually fold into the lockers, so you don't need to find somewhere to put them. And the bases will also fit in the lockers underneath the seats. The table on the front there in the middle is removable, and also you can fold it if you're not eating and just looking to have a few drinks. Overall, this boat provides a huge amount of social space, both on the bow, the sport fly, the carousel feature on the aft deck. What more could you want in a boat that's just a little over 52 feet?